Hola Chica, welcome back to Chica Confident TV, your go-to spot to have confidence inserted into your life so that you can learn how to go after your passions and monetize them into an actual business. So if you are not new here, then you know that I hate just wasting time, so let's dive right into this video today. How to start a blog. There is a lot of information that's available out there on the internet for free, and sometimes frankly it can be really overwhelming because it's just a lot of noise and talk. So I'm gonna give it to you straight. I'm gonna give you 4 easy things you can consider before you start your blog. Number 1 is as simple as this: know your passion. What do you absolutely nerd out over? What can you talk about for hours? That's probably a good indication of something that you should be talking about on your blog, because your blogging platform is your own unique space to share your voice and help your audience in your own unique, authentic way. Absolutely no one else can have the same voice that you have, which is what makes blogging to me so incredibly amazing and even, yes, profitable. So figuring out your passion, write on a list of paper 10 different things that you get excited about, whether it's finances, whether it's photography, maybe it's dogs, maybe it's cats, maybe it's business development, maybe it's entrepreneurship, maybe it's crafting, maybe it's DIY, maybe it's cooking. Something that gets you excited. Find those 10 different things. You could even do 5 if you want to make it a short list. And within those 10 different or 5 or whatever topics, decide within that sub niches. So maybe if it's cooking, it's holiday cooking, seasonal cooking, Mexican food. Of course I say that because I love me some Mexican food, or Spanish food, which is, let's clarify, that is not the same thing. Spanish and Mexican food are very, very different food groups, but I just love any of the Latin cooking, so you get the idea. So if let's say it's cooking, decide within that broad niche, different sub niches and topics that you could talk about regularly, that you get excited about. If it's a dull topic or a dull topic to you, it's very unlikely that you are going to want to keep talking about it in your own blogging platform. Which brings me right into tip number 2. Who do you want to help and why do you want to help them? Something my mentor says to me regularly as an awesome reminder is, what are you doing right now? Where are you going? And why are you doing it? Why are you wanting to help who you want to help? And if you haven't quite figured out who that person is, as you continue to decide your passion and what your niche is that you want to talk about, you are going to slowly figure out, okay, this is the audience I'm trying to reach. This is the age group. Maybe it's men, women, maybe it's teenagers, maybe it's working moms, maybe it's motherhood. That is a huge niche in and of itself in the blogging sphere, mom bloggers. So figure out who it is you're trying to help. And as you continue to develop your niche, write it down and realize I'm saying you do all of this before you even get your blogging platform, before you even enter into the tech side of things. Once you figure out where you're going, why you're doing it, and who you want to help, it's going to make the journey so much easier and clearer as you venture into the tech side and then later on the business marketing side. Which does lead me seamlessly into tip number 3, is figure out what platform that you want to use. There's a lot of different platforms. I've used WordPress and I now use Kajabi. I love Kajabi because literally everything's included. Your email marketing, your landing pages, your business pages, your course producing pages. You can literally make courses and guides within Kajabi, and their support is absolutely amazing, unlike a lot of other platforms. They're immediate, they're helpful, they're knowledgeable, and there's Facebook groups that you can join once you become a Kajabi member that are continuously streaming with content, ideas, support, help. So I pretty much 100 out of 10 recommend Kajabi. If Kajabi is something that you become more and more interested in, definitely drop me a line below in the comment section and I can actually get you a special discount on your Kajabi platform. So come see me if that's something you want to learn more about. But without further ado, we're going to jump right into tip number 4, and that is figure out right now who you can collaborate with. SEO's gotten a lot smarter and that actual people are boosting and ranking blog websites. So if you can get into contact with other bloggers right now who maybe are a little further along and have learned tons of different strategies and have just gone through a lot of these learning curves already, it's only going to help you grow. And I guarantee you, if this blogging Chica is open and available to have you on their site, you can even guest blog and get practice with writing and sharing your thoughts and sharing your amazing, unique voice with the world. And it's a win-win because she's getting great content, you're getting to learn and grow, and you guys are getting to collab and work together. So when you inevitably get bigger and grow your blog into something you can be super excited about, you are going to continue to get to work together, and you will know that at the very beginning, you are developing this strong foundational relationship. Okay guys, those are 4 amazing tips that I have definitely utilized in starting my own blogging platform. I hope these have been helpful for you. Definitely drop a line for me again in the comment section if you have videos that you want to see more of on this channel. Let me know. I produce these videos and this content for you. So I want to hear your feedback, and definitely give it a thumbs up if you like the video, because if you don't give it a thumbs up, how am I gonna know you liked it, Chica? Thanks again so much for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Besos!